Can passengers who suffer injuries while they're in a car accident sue the at-fault drivers? And the answer is yes. It happens all the time. Passengers who are in a car accident usually do not know who's actually at fault for the accident themselves. Sometimes it's basic, like a rear-end motor vehicle accident, but other times there is a dispute regarding which driver, one or multiple, are at fault for the motor vehicle collision. Clearly, the passengers are not in fault at all for the motor vehicle accident occurring, and they deserve compensation. If this is the case, the passengers must immediately obtain an experienced personal injury lawyer to represent them, because the passenger or passengers will have to sue all of the drivers that were involved in the motor vehicle collision and let the at-fault drivers and their insurance companies work it out through litigation. If you have any questions regarding how a passenger in a car who gets injured in a car accident can file a personal injury claim, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.